Welcome back to my channel Creative Study for Kids. Today, we will learn how to encourage our kids to make sentence with the help of an image. You will just take any image of thing. Paste it on page. Now you will need to write keywords that will make sentence. Now sequence them in numbers. And finally, you will ask your kids, write these words by one in correct order. Practice this activity by using different types of images. Your kids will definitely use to make sentences by this activity. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.